Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're doing a quick unboxing and overview of the Ghost 2X forward magnifier from Monstrum Tactical. Here's the specifications on it here as far as length, weight, and then again, this is a 2X magnification and it does flip to the side. Let's get this out of the box here and see what all it comes with. All right, so got everything out here. So we do have our magnifier, which we'll get to here in a sec. We also have a pamphlet here going over the magnifier and the specs. You get a cleaning cloth, and then we also get a bunch of hardware. You can see we have some screws and the Allen wrench here, as well as screws here, and that's for the mount. And then this is also for the mount. I believe that we can go ahead and adjust the height to a 1/3 co-witness or higher, lower, whatever we need. So they do give you additional pieces for that. And then we also have a couple pieces of literature. One of them making sure that you understand where this gets placed, because you don't put this behind the optic, you put it in front of the optic. I know, crazy, right? We'll talk about that here in a sec. So here's the actual Ghost magnifier. Again, this is 2X here, and on the right side and the top, we do have adjustments for elevation and windage. So that way you can go ahead and get this magnified in the center here, because a lot of times when you add a magnifier, it's gonna be off. So that'll help you adjust that. And then also this does have the mount that allows you to flick it to the side or center it real quick and easy. It's actually a pretty good hinge. I'm impressed with that. But to show you what this setup is supposed to look like, let's actually get this mounted real quick. There we go. Pretty easy to mount up there. And again, this goes in front of your red dot or your optic. We actually have on here, this is the 1X Prsim Blackbird optic from Monstrum Tactical as well. And this is our Ghost magnifier. It goes in front. Don't forget that. On other traditional magnifiers, you'll mount it in the rear like this. We have an EOTech in the front, and then this is a 3X magnifier in the rear. So that way we can look through and see a 3X magnification. But again, for the Ghost here, it goes in front like we just talked about, which I think is cool because one, you get the same eye relief as your normal optic or red dot here on this. So there's nothing that needs messed with that. And two, this one's actually pretty compact here. You can see it's actually smaller than my Prsim Optic here versus this Holostone one I just showed you is massive and it hangs off the back, and it takes a bit to get these organized on your rail and have them in the right spot so that way you can see through it. Once you do have this mounted on, super easy to flick back and forth here. So right now it's disengaged, so we'll have a 1X, and then if we flip it over, we're gonna have a 2X looking through the same optic. Pretty cool, honestly. And when you do match up Monstrum Tactical with Monstrum Tactical, I think this looks really clean. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Pretty cool product. I love seeing companies like Monstrum Tactical actually innovate, try new things, put magnifiers in the front. I mean, this makes sense, honestly, here. And also provide a very competitive price on the market for optics. Because looking at this setup here, you can probably tell I spent way too much up top there. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.